My favorite.
Is
Guess
it?
what I'm doing after work today? going to get a Slurpee. You know what? You gotta
cares?
splurge a
It's a
little bit.
splurge. I agree.
Gotta live
I
a little
agree.
bit. Good day to have a Slurpee, actually, because we're going to see lots of sunshine. We're not going to get hot, but we are going to get warm out there. Here's a look at your planner for today. 8 a.m., 58 degrees. We do have some high clouds out there, but all in all, it is a gorgeous morning. By noon, 69 degrees. Maybe you want to go to Pioneer Courthouse Square and eat lunch on the steps today. Good plan to do that. 69 by noon, 74 degrees by 3 p.m. with plenty of sunshine. We will feel the northwest breeze pick up once again today. Temperatures topping off right around 76 by 5 p.m. We're at 54 right now. Lots of sunshine in Portland and around the region right now. 58 in Hillsboro. Down towards Mount Scott, 48 degrees, in Laurelwood, 52. So a comfortable morning for us. Now we have been seeing some high clouds. Notice the clouds trying to work into our western areas in Scappoose. So these are kind of going to work their way through the Columbia River. So be aware of that for the next couple of hours. But we will break into that sunshine later today, where we are starting to see those clouds move in, especially along the coast. Maybe a little drizzle up towards the north and western areas. Plenty of moisture coming into the south of us, though. Maybe an isolated storm between Burns and Baker City coming in later on this afternoon to the early evening hours. But we will stay dry in Portland today as we look at the cloud forecast and the rain forecast by 6 a.m. this morning. Those clouds around burning off later today. By 8 p.m. tonight, will stay mostly clear, and then clouds will increase once again tomorrow morning. And notice by 3 p.m. we see more clouds around. I think this is going to hold our temperatures down just a little bit, so it's going to be partly sunny tomorrow. And then by Saturday, we get more sunshine in here, and in fact, temperatures start to warm up a little bit. So if you have plans outdoors for the weekend, looking very good. 75 in Kelso, 64 in Seaside. Notice temperatures in the 80s out towards Burns. Slight chance of a storm. Breezy up in the Dalles. 82 in Hood River for today. 67 in Government Camp, and 76 for Portland Metro. So very comfortable outside, cooler than what we had yesterday. Western areas just about the same, maybe a few degrees warmer in Tigard, and then out towards the east, temperatures right around 79 in Damascus. Clackamas, 79 degrees. Once we get up towards the north, though, temperatures very comfortable in Scappoose, 77 degrees with those morning clouds, 76 in Vancouver, and 78 in Battleground. If you're headed to the coast this weekend, expect areas of drizzle on Saturday, getting more sunshine and a bit warmer there for you on Sunday. The Gorge this weekend, a little breezy, mostly sunny both days, warming up to around 86 on Sunday. Cascade, 67, mostly sunny on Saturday and on Sunday, warming up to 73 degrees. And in the central part of the state, Saturday and Sunday, temperatures warming, well, nicely by Sunday. It's going to be hot, 90 degrees. So there's your warming trend the next couple of days. More clouds tomorrow, like I mentioned. Morning clouds on Saturday, and then temperatures get to the mid-80s by Sunday. 87 degrees by Monday, and we'll keep it into the low to mid-80s Tuesday and on Wednesday. No real